Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I am going to share about something. People ask me one question: how to improve English easy way? What is the easy method? What is the easy way how to improve English? And I want to say something that people nowadays I am connected to co-learners and connected to other multiple types of peoples, which other states and other district, and so people ask me one thing. They talking every day, each and every day, and they ask same questions every day. What is your name? What is your hobby? What do you do? And what is difficult for you in English? And these multiple type of question, normal basic question they ask each and every day, but they not focus on advanced speaking skill, and they not advanced speak, and they not speak on other topic, they not speak extra. So because they ask me, our mind is stuck on these topics, only for these 5 to 10 topics. So that's why we cannot hold a long conversation, and we not hold long conversation, and we not make a good conversation like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes. So this is the main problem, and this is the main problem of each and every beginner who facing while speak English. So I face this problem, and when I face this problem, I select this topic कि beginner face this problem and I face this problem. So this topic I cover in my next video. So today in this video, I'm going to share about something. If you feel something this problem, if you so I am going to share something that you you improve your vocabulary, because every beginner focus new vocabulary, and each and every day learn new vocabulary. So I say that not focus on a new vocabulary every day and multiple types of vocabulary, because they confuse you and you not proper make sentence. So that is why this is for difficult for you. But if you are beginner and you hold a long conversation, if you make long conversation and talking with stranger, talking with co-learners, and so easy way is that you choose one topic like food. So what is your favorite food? So that is not question, but that is your mostly you choose what is your favorite food. So then you favorite dish. So how to make this dish, and what is the adding in this in this dish we add, and how can make this dish, and how we eat, and how we, so that is the main thing. And like other topic, mountain. Okay, so you choose mountain. Okay, if you like mountain, why did you like mountain? And mountains very amazing, and they provide freshness air, and they looking like very amazing. And so we are happy when we explore mountains. So why we like mountains? Okay, so this topic very helpful for you, like food, like mountain, like your bike. Recently I shared my journey with my bike. I share my journey upon my bike, and if you watch this video, then definitely this is very helpful for you. So you not focus on daily basis questions, what you do, what is your name, how do you do, what is your hobby. So these are basic things. But if you if you are going to advanced level, if you want to speak long conversation, hold conversation, so select one topic, and uh, uh, then repeat again, then select one topic and make a sentence, one topic on 5 to 10 sentence, and ask to co-learner, and ask them what is your favorite place, what is your favorite food. Then you going on this way, and you go deep on the topic. So this is very helpful. So this is very easy method, because you not focus on high vocabulary, you not focus on high speaking skills. They are not easy way, because beginners want to easy method, and beginners only want to speak English. So that is very helpful, like food, and dish and everything, like of mountain, like a favorite place. So this is very helpful, and this topic really helpful for you, and this topic easy way to you improve your English. So if you like this video, and to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.